In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to level up your skills in Arc Raiders. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to confirm your upgrades so your character is stronger and better prepared for the challenges ahead. Start by logging in and heading to the main menu. Look toward the top right corner of the screen where your profile name appears. If you have a skill point available, you'll notice a small upward arrow inside a glowing circle right next to your name. That glow is your cue that you've earned a point and can spend it now. Go ahead and click that icon to open your skills. This takes you to your skill trees. Think of this screen as a map of your character's growth, organized into different branches. Each icon represents a skill you can unlock or upgrade. Take a moment to hover over a skill to read the description so you understand what it does, how it affects your playstyle, and whether it fits what you need right now. It's perfectly fine to pause here and plan your path, especially if you're working toward a specific build. When you found a skill you want, select it. You'll see that upgrading requires skill points. If you have enough, the option to proceed will be available. If you don't, you'll need to come back later once you've earned more points through regular play. Remember, spending a point is a commitment, so make sure the skill aligns with your goals. More survivability, stronger damage, or utility that complements your squad. After selecting the skill, look for the confirmation prompt. Click Confirm to finalize the upgrade. This step is important. Selecting the skill alone doesn't apply the change. Confirming locks in your choice and immediately updates your character's abilities. Once confirmed, you can back out to the main menu or stay on the skill screen to review your new stats and plan your next upgrade. If you don't see the glowing arrow on the main menu, it simply means you don't have a skill point to spend yet. Keep playing and earning progress, and check back here periodically. When the icon lights up again, repeat this process. Click the arrow, open the skill trees, choose your skill, and confirm. That's all there is to leveling up your skills in Arc Raiders. Log in, spot the glowing arrow, enter your skill trees, pick the upgrade that fits your strategy, and confirm. Keep refining your build, and you'll feel the difference in your next mission.